Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this skin install. Appreciate your time, your support. Huge shout out XtremeSkins for giving me the opportunity once again to represent. They sent me not just one, but 5 skins for my Google Pixel 8 Pro. Let's go ahead and just read the information here that we have from XtremeSkins, Precision Style and Protection. They got a lot of skins for a lot of other tech. So please, when you're over at the XtremeSkins website, go shopping. Thank you for your order. You're awesome. Did not order these, but thank you very much. I appreciate it. Now, I'm going to go through and show you the installation, but if you want to scan the QR code, you can do that, or you could go straight to our YouTube page, YouTube XtremeSkins. Apply your skin and tag us in our various socials. You got Twitter /X, Instagram, Facebook. If you do run into a problem with your order, please contact the team via email, quoting your order number. There is the email info@extremeskins.co.uk. Okay, so in the package, you do get this little guy here. You have to provide your own little microcloth, and I'm sure a lot of you have a lot of these laying around, so that should not be an issue. Now let's go ahead and look at the first skin. This is the matte red. Good looking skin, got that matte texture. Got this guy right here, which is the Sahara Concrete. Right here we have the brushed titanium. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Love the texture. It's got a little bit of a grip too, which is really cool. Now this one here, this is the Abstract Psychedelic skin. This is new from XtremeSkins. And the one that I'm going to put on today is the Onyx Azure. That's A-Z-U-R-E, Onyx Azure. That's a good looking skin, matte finish, and we do have a clear case. Over here, we have a blow dryer. The blow dryer is to heat up this skin so it sticks, adheres to the back of the Google Pixel 8 Pro. The case is to see the sexy bold skin on the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and when you put a case on, it actually presses up against the skin and helps the sticking process, helps the adhering process. Now, I did want to mention that when using a blow dryer, you got to move it around. Do not let the heat sit in one place. It can damage not just your skin, but more importantly, your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Okay, you don't want to damage your smartphone. So whether it's like this, circular, like that, I don't care how you do it, just move it around so that heat is going everywhere. I like to do it like this. You know what I'm saying? Just like that. It's like it's dancing. Anyway, yeah, it's just very important that you do that. 2 more things. Number 1, install the skin when you have some quiet time, so you're not interrupted. And number 2, enjoy the process, be patient. Okay, so with that, let's do this. All right, I gotta tell you, man, that looks really, really nice. Definitely a bold skin, giving the Google Pixel 8 Pro a little extra some. Yeah, I am liking that. The Onyx Azure. Great protection for the camera area as well. Now, don't be overly concerned if it's not completely perfect. I can tell that I'm just a little bit too far this way, but that's okay, folks. You know what? If you get it perfect, cool. If it's a little bit off, trust me, I don't think anybody's going to come up with a magnifying glass to see if you did it completely perfect. Just looking at the Onyx Azure on the 8 Pro here, that just looks, again, like I said, bold and yet sexy. It really, really does. And then we have the Ringke Fusion Clear, which is going to press up against the skin. Wow. Huge shout out, XtremeSkins. Yeah, man. What a blessing. What a blessing. Share your thoughts down below in the comment section. Got to get a thumbnail there. Do it like that. Bam. Don't forget, there's a whole lot of other skins to go shopping for. The Abstract Psychedelic, there are other color choices that somewhat look like this skin. The Brushed Titanium, the Sahara Concrete, and the Matte Red. And so much more. Not a lot to pay. It's going to be right around like a little more than $13. Not a lot to pay to beautify, to give it that little extra some. Remember, they're coming out of the UK, so I would try to order like on a Monday so you can get it by the end of the week or by the next Monday. So with that, I'm done. I gotta stop talking. Coming on by, Team My Project 13. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.